Hello and welcome. In today's movie, we are going to look at HTML text formatting. As usual, my name is Mohindo Mbarak and I'm going to be your tutor. So, what is meant by HTML text formatting? HTML contains several elements for defining the text with a special meaning. And HTML formatting elements include the B tag, or we can call it the bold text. We use this one to define a bolded text. We have a strong. We use this one to define important text. We have I tag. This I tag we use to define it italics, if you know italics. We have an E emphasis or EM tag, and then we have a marked text. We have the small, and this one is used to define a small tag or the text that is smaller. We have a del, which used to describe the deleted, and we have ins, which used to define the inserted text. We have the sub. We use that sub tag to define the subscript, and then we have the sup. Use that sup to define the superscript. There are so many other ways how you can define text, and I'll give the resource file in the description of this video, so you can get to understand all HTML formatting elements. So with that said, let us go to the practicals. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to open a new file, create a new file. I'm going to name it 8._. HTML formatting. HTML formatting, okay, whatever I call it. Okay, so I'm going to put here my HTML5 structure, and I'm going to call this one HTML formatting. There we are. So let's see how we can format. So we talked about the B tag. Okay, so the B tag used to write what? We use it to write the bolded text. Okay, so to do that, you can just simply say B tag like that, and then press enter, and then write the text. So this text is going to be bold. So let us see how it's going to look like. Let us first write the P tag. Okay, this is normal text, like how it should appear in the normal, and then you have a B tag, and you see how it will appear in the big tag when it is surrounded by the B tag element. So I'll come there and then open Ctrl-O, and then come and say 8 number. Okay, so you see these two appear in different ways. This one is a plain one, a normal one. This one is what is a B tag. Okay, so let us look at another tag, which you call a strong tag, and use it to describe important text. So just simply write strong tag and then write there your content. Okay, so this is important text. In appearance, the strong tag will look much more like a B tag, you see, and they will always be, they're inline elements. So this one will come to the next one. Let me break them. So to break them, we just simply write here BR. Okay, so that BR will do what? Will break them. Okay, so you see, this is almost they're the same. Okay, so we proceed to another tag, which is the italics tag. Come here. So just write I tag, and then what? And then put your I tag there, and then come and refresh. You can see this text is italic. This text is italic. Let us look at the del tag. Okay, the emphasis tag. For example, you want to emphasize something in a HTML element document. You can simply write EM, and then this EM tag, it will describe the emphasis. Okay, so if you come and refresh, you can see this is emphasis. Emphasis looks much more like italics, and then also important looks much more like what? Like bold. So I'll give a link to more tags in the description of this video, so you can go and play with them. You have to look at the delete tag and the insert tag and the sub and super tag, the superscript tag. So let us meet in the next video, where we are going to look at the quotations. So I emphasize one thing: don't just watch, but you should watch and practice. Otherwise, if you just keep your hands clean and you don't want to try shit, then you'll not get shit. Okay, keep on practicing. Watch as you practice. We meet in the next video, and thank you for watching up this point.